What's up, everybody? My name is Amauris Hernandez. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe, turn on the post bell notification bell button, and let's get the video started. So for this video, I got 5 tips that can help you find a model for your project or just in general for a photo shoot. This is beneficial for photographer, videographer, stylist, hairstylist, and makeup artist, or any other projects that may need it, a vendor for wedding hall, anything like that is useful. So let's go to the screen and let's get started. Tip number 1, Instagram. So the best way to find it is through hashtags. Let's see if it'll work for me here. Here we go. And we'll see model. You can see a whole bunch of models. Some are real models and some are being inspiring models. So you got a lot of options. If you want to experience models, obviously go with experience model. If you don't care, then go with anybody that you can get. I personally avoid models that always show their ass because I don't take them seriously. Any art is perfect. All right, let's see this one. Model. Her account's private, but she's a model at a modeling agency. I'll get to that soon. All right, let's see if we can find someone that does not have a private account. Okay, I think she's a model. Let's see, booking has photographer. So I'm guessing she's the model. I always look through the portfolio. Well, yeah, I always look through the Instagram to see if I see anything modeling wise. Well, at least that's that a photographer took. I don't see nothing there for me to work off. I don't feel I could benefit from her. She'll benefit from me, but I don't feel vice versa. If I want to work with somebody, I want it to that I could benefit her and myself, or him and myself. Let's see. See her. Okay, she's in my area, New York, so that's a plus. And she has modeling work that looks clean. Even if it was taken with an iPhone or an Android phone, it looks clean enough. Yeah, see? Alright, so what I would do is Messenger. Obviously you do it on the phone. Don't think you do that yet on the computer. Yeah, you can't. So you just Messenger. You can do the same process for all of them. Like, hello, such and such name. Let's leave that blank. Hello, blah blah blah. Hope all is well. I'm reaching out. I'm giving you guys an easy ride on what to say as well. I'm reaching out to you to see if you're interested in collaborating or in collabing. I like your look and I feel that you can help me with, since this could benefit, you know, any particular videographer, hairstylist, any artist field. I'll say you can help me with my project. Here are my concepts, or here are some concepts. No. Better yet, you want them to answer. So I say, if yes or no, let me know. Either way, I would like to work with you sometime in the near future. Hope to hear from you soon and we can start going over some concepts that I have in mind. Thank you, whoever you are. You can write your name there. Let's say George. Now, that's it. Send that. You don't want to give all the information. You just want to reach for them. If they agree, they agree. And then you go from there. If they don't reply or even look at it, just go to the next model. Don't wait on an answer. Just continue. Because if you're going to wait, who knows how long you're going to be waiting for. Okay, so hashtags. That's tip number 1. All right, tip number 2, modeling agencies. Now, you could do it 2 ways. You could DM them. You could go to the website and contact them directly, or either by phone or email, and tell them what you're looking for. Tell them you want to do test shots. Just tell them you want to do test shots, and just give a little bit detail. Because if you go into too much detail, if it's for promo work, anything promoted commercial wise, then you're gonna have to hire them. But if you can do it for test shots so you can practice, then do it this way. This way you have experienced models and you can learn from them. Alright, so I'm in the directory. Let's go alphabetical order. There's a lot of options here. You got a lot of options to work with. Let's see. I like her look. Emily Doyle. I hope I don't say her name wrong. It's even better. Her Instagram's not here. So you just click on it. You could bypass the agency, but if you want to do it nicely and professional, I say go through the agency. But if you don't care, just go click on their name, email them directly, and do the same process. I guess it depends on the caliber of their status for that agency, but doing this is just enough. Tip number 3, the H Collective Hub. Well, it's the hub now, I think, for copyright reasons. The hub, basically application for creators, videographers, hairstylists, makeup artists. Here's my profile. So you go to search creatives. I think it's free to sign up. I just don't remember if you need a referral. So if you do need a referral, let me know, because they have changed a few things. So let's go. Okay, I need to find a model. Now, let's say I'm traveling. I'm going to Toronto. Boom, you got Toronto, Ontario, right there. Now, let's say you don't want to travel too far, but like a 10-mile radius. And here you see a whole bunch of models. Just scan through to see who you think could benefit from, and they could benefit from you. All right, so let's see. I like her hair, so this is something I could do. Desiree Skyler. So right here is their username for Instagram. Just click on it and do the same process. You DM them. They have work. They have awesome work. Now I know what to contact when I go to Toronto. But yeah, this person has awesome work. It doesn't matter about the following. It just matters that you can get work and get the creativity out of you. So yeah, just do the same process. You can also message them from here, but it's quicker just going directly to Instagram. So yeah, you got the same options if you want to go do a videographer, makeup artist, if you need another photographer, stylist. I think this application is perfect for projects when you need a team. So this is perfect for that. All right, tip number 4, Model Mayhem. Now, I'm not a fan of Model Mayhem per se. I just don't like it. But I'm gonna sign in real quick. I'll show you the process. on how to reach someone, or how to find people, not to reach someone. Well, it's the same thing, but you understand. All right, so you gotta browse male, female. Now we have options. Model. Now, if you want to practice and you want to learn, I highly suggest time for print. Even though you'll get experienced model for paid assignments, but if you want to practice, go for time for print. Unless you have the money, then take advantage. Let's go to New York. Let's select the select the miles, and this looks good to me. Oh, right here you get some experience, but you want this for learning purposes, so you want to get someone just so you can be able to shoot. Here you have options. I like to, when I'm looking on here, well, when I used to look on here, usually check by the last activity. Over here it tells me the date, some experience, so that's perfect. It tells me the height, age, weight, their waist size, etc. So let's see this person. View portfolio. They have some work there. You go to profile. They sometimes have the Instagram down here, so you could do just bypass this whole application, just go straight to there. But if they don't, just messenger through there and do the same process. Yeah, I'm not gonna upgrade. No thanks. So yeah, that's the same process. Tip number 5: create a model call on Instagram, where it's the most helpful one to do it. Here's one that I did a while back. Basically put all the hashtags that I need from the area that I want to shoot or going to be around in. You get people to reply. You're gonna get responses. People are gonna comment, other users. Not everyone's gonna be a professional model or with model experience, but if you just want to shoot to learn and practice, doesn't matter. This is very helpful. So you just go through some of the users. For example, I met her through this. Awesome. So, and I'm actually good friends with her now. So that's a plus. You make you make friends, you connect, and you grow together. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment any questions or any other options that you may know of that I didn't go over. This is great for people that are not in big cities like LA, Miami, anywhere, San Diego, New York, any of those areas, Canada as well. This is very helpful. So no more excuses. You have options to find model. Stop complaining. Do something. With that being said, thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next one. Peace.